So this is basement fire alarm test 18. Now I have to do this test really quickly, so I'm just going to go over all the devices. So right there is a Simplex, come on focus, 4099 9003. However, as always, the module is right there. And up above is a Simplex 4903-9242 electronic horn strobe in white. It is on fixed 30 candela and will be doing continuous horn. Here we go. And that is the end of this exceptionally bad video. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my Groupme and eBay. Both help the channel. Thank you and have a great day.